The Android 13 multimedia player designed for Ford F150, F250, F350, and F450 models 2015-2022 is a game-changer for vehicle infotainment. With its advanced features and compatibility with Ford's SYNC1, SYNC2, and SYNC3 systems, this 14.5-inch Tesla-style head unit offers a premium multimedia experience tailored for Ford truck owners. This device seamlessly integrates into the vehicle, offering an enhanced driving experience with its intuitive touchscreen, powerful processing, and multiple connectivity options. One of the key selling points of this head unit is its compatibility across various Ford truck models, ranging from 2015 to 2022. Whether your vehicle is running on SYNC1, SYNC2, or SYNC3, this unit can be easily installed, ensuring you don't miss out on modern features. For truck owners who want to upgrade their infotainment system without purchasing a new vehicle, this Android head unit is an ideal solution. It replaces the stock system and provides a more sophisticated user interface, bridging the gap between older vehicle models and the latest technology. The 14.4-inch HD touchscreen on this head unit offers a crisp resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. The large display resembles the interface found in Tesla vehicles, providing an intuitive and visually appealing experience. The screen's size and clarity make it easy to view navigation maps, media, and apps without distraction. This is particularly beneficial for truck drivers who need quick access to important information while driving. One of the standout features of this head unit is its support for both wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. These systems allow drivers to connect their smartphones wirelessly, providing access to their apps, music, messages, and navigation directly on the screen. Whether you're an iPhone user or prefer Android, this head unit ensures you can stay connected safely and easily while driving. Beyond basic multimedia functions, this Android head unit offers a range of powerful features. It supports external devices such as car DVRs, TV receivers, TPMS, reverse cameras, and OBD. These capabilities allow drivers to monitor and control various aspects of their vehicle's performance and safety in real time. The unit also supports voice input, recording, and steering wheel controls, ensuring you can manage the system without taking your hands off the wheel. Furthermore, the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS navigation make this head unit a complete infotainment system, perfect for long road trips or daily commuting.